Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of Beyblade Burst Pro Series, and just know this stuff is Command Dragon. There's the back, Quick Dash. But yeah, let's get into this. It's good to have another one of these guys. Command Dragon, or yeah, Imperial Dragon is one of my favorites from GT. Okay, backwards. Hey. And here's the stickers. QR code. There it is, a Quick Dash. I need to sharpen this again. I'm sorry. My hair's gone all over the place. There's the Quick Dash. There's this one. And ooh yeah. Actually has the gimmick to it this time. Pretty cool. You've seen this one hundreds of times for the TT. And they Hasbro copied the Quick Dash, white Quick Dash. We got that in the random unboxing. Random booster for one of them. Ooh, a lot better. This is probably going to be my pick to win. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.